what a mess. This is Ben Marshall from Radio Parts, and I'm just doing a quick and dirty video on the Resi-linx RL-IP range, which is their IP streamers. So let me show you what I've got set up to start off with. We've got a tiny little media player here. We've got that running via HDMI into the RLIP1000, which is the Resi-linx streamer. That's a little box there. It's running via the yellow data cable out and into my little domestic class modem router here. I've got black cable coming out, network cable here, and up into the RLIP1000 or 600, whichever, I can't remember which one it is. 6000, yeah, that's it. This little infrared target. I've got HDMI out of that going directly into this TV, along with component video out and in, although I'm not using that at the moment. I've got my laptop connected wirelessly to the modem router. And I've got one more cable, which is the blue one, running all the way up and around, up into the big Samsung. So that's hardwired in at the moment. All right, so as you can see, video is coming up and streaming, so it's doing what it's supposed to do. Let's have a quick look at the software and show you what the setup's like as well. All right, as befits a quick and dirty video, I'm not going to properly capture the video. I'm just going to do this with my phone to show you exactly what's going on. But let's do a quick little test. I've got VLC running on my desktop here. I'm going to open a network stream. The network stream is the one that I've already set up for this device. So you can see it's a local IP address, port, and the details for it. I press play, and then sure enough, I'm also playing my video here. And oh look, it's perfect timing for the one video on my playlist that's upside down. Fantastic. Norwegian fjords falling into the sky at this stage. Anyway, let's get rid of that so I can show you what's going on here. So this is an internal page of my little modem router, and you can see I've got several devices connected up and through to it. The HDIP is the IP1000, the basic streamer. I've got the 101 is the little RLIP6000, so that's the set-top box for the TV. I've got this laptop, I've got my phone connected to it, and I've also got another port for the same laptop, one wireless and one wired. I've gotten rid of one of those since we've done this, and the local host is the Samsung big panel TV in the background. So these are all connected to my same network. You can see on my network itself here, I've got several devices. You can see all my Samsung things from the TV. I can see my network infrastructure, and I can also see my little streamer. And if I right click on here, bring up my device web page, it will bring up this page. So this is the Resi-linx streamer interface. You can see what my input source is, my input audio is, output formats, bit rates, and so on through the network. All right, very, very briefly through this lot. Go into here, I've selected streamer 1 as my device name, program name, left all these things basically the same as they were. I've done HDCP enable, and I've turned closed captions on, even though these videos don't have any. Go across to my streaming setup pages, and just for this little demo I'm using HTTP streaming. I'm not doing multicasting or unicasting or anything else like that. And I've got my network set up here. So my network setup is up to date now. So I've set a local IP address, I've set a default gateway and all those sort of things for it, and there they all are. Easy and simple. This is exactly what's in the description in the manual. I've followed that to the T just to be able to set this little demo up for today. Alright, last thing that's here is a maintain channel list, so I can download from here. Oh, there I am on screen, beautiful. You can download your channel list from here. You can upload it from your computer when you set this thing up. And yes, firmware updates and all those sort of things from this page as well. So there you have it, quick and dirty little look. The idea with the Resi-linx IP streamer is inject a HD stream into a network via the set-top box on the left-hand side here. That goes into the network and then is available to anything else on the network that can pick up an IP stream. So whether it's a smart TV, a smart set-top box, a computer, or anything similar to that, should be able to pick it up on mobile phones and other devices that can do network streaming as well. Essentially, it means you can build this system to be as large or as small as you want it to be, and just add as many streaming boxes and as many set-top boxes or smart TVs as you want. Limitations, of course, are resolutions versus network, You can bring down your network traffic if you're streaming too much at the same time. You may want to go for something a little bit more hardcore in terms of network infrastructure than my little domestic modem. As you can see from the issues that are coming up now, going from one file to the other, that's generally down to, well, basically it's down to the format of what I've put into it, the fact that my little network router's struggling when I run this many things through it, and yeah, there we go. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed our quick and dirty look. This is Ben Marshall from Radio Parts. Leave us a comment below, otherwise head over to our Facebook page or Twitter page to check out more information. Thanks, I hope you have a good one.